finally got to try the viral trending lipstick on TikTok. I know as you're already seeing these lips, you're wondering in your thoughts, how did I achieve this? That is why you have me on this app as your big sis. So don't worry, let me walk you through the process. The only thing you need to do is listen to my instruction. Don't do oversabi here. Then the things we'll be needing for this lip tutorial is just your lipstick of any color. It must not be this shade I'm using. Then you need an eyeshadow palette that has black matte eyeshadow on it. If you like, do oversabi and use whatever you want. Me, I've said my own. Don't come to the comment section to ask me. When applying this your lipstick, don't be in a hurry. Don't rush. You know where are you going to? Where are you running to? Want to go and see Adam? He's not going to see you. So take your time and do this lip tutorial. Are you hearing me? Good. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm using for my own. It has almost all the colors in it, and this is the blush shade I took. Make sure it's matte. I know say you should put shimmer. If you want to put shimmer, you can try something and be creative. Yes, be creative with your life. You can try it. Just know that shimmer is not needed on this tutorial. That's I'm teaching you guys. So you see the way my lips are positioned. That's how you keep yours for you to get this exact tutorial. So when you take your brush, you dab gently, so you won't go over spreading black eyeshadow where it's not supposed to. Okay, then dab gently. After that, you can release your lips to see the outcome of what you've created. Don't say I not teach anything on this TikTok app. So kindly follow, like, share and comment, and share my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.